Hello everyone. Okay, today I'm going to teach you one of my friends. Okay, actually this is a mouse. Okay, you shall call him mouse. Okay, mouse. Some people call it far. Okay, far. Okay, some people call it rat. Okay, I tell everyone, please call it mouse. Okay, your computer peripheral called mouse. Okay, fine. In the mouse, okay, this is the mouse. Okay, each button, okay, has a function. You shall call him the left key. You shall call him the right key. Okay, and this you shall call the middle mouse, the middle button. Okay, in AutoCAD, okay, in AutoCAD, we're talking about AutoCAD. And what are the functions of each key in AutoCAD? This is the title of this story. Okay, so functions of each key in AutoCAD. Each key in the mouse. Okay, you can call him rat, you can call him whatever you want, but I call him mouse. Okay, we shall call him mouse. Anyway, the left key is basically used to select an object. Okay, used to what? Select an object. So you click once. Okay, when I say click once, that means what? Select an object. Okay, so generally your mouse is like this. This is called your cursor. Okay, some people call it crosshair. Actually the official word is crosshair. Okay, but many people use it, call it cursor. Cursor or crosshair. When you select an object, okay, this will change to like this. Okay, so this is 1, this is 2. This will change only if you select or you click once the left key. Okay, the right key basically have two functions in John's mouse. Okay, one is the lazy click. Okay, another one is the active click. Okay, active click means what? Enter. The lazy click means what? You will open one new window. When I explain it in the software AutoCAD, things will be clear. So just we want to summarize this video. Left click, select an object. Right click, there are two options. One is the lazy click. Lazy click means what? You press this key and you don't leave it, and slowly leave it. Okay, that's called lazy. And the active is what? You just touch it. Let's say halas. That's the right click. That's the active click. Active click means what? It's like the enter. Okay, or repeat previous command. Okay, repeat previous command. Lazy means what? One dialog box will open. Okay, let me just show you in the software now. Things will be clear. Okay, so this is the software. Okay, in AutoCAD what we said, the left click is used to select an object. You select an object. Look at this. This is the cursor. Okay, you can see it. The mouse is called the cursor. Now let's suppose I select an object. Let's say this glass. See, selected. Selected, isn't it? Okay, let's take an easier object. A line. I select this object. I press a control key. Okay. Okay, so select an object is left click. you select an object. This becomes highlighted or become hot. Okay. The right click, okay, if I just keep pressing the left click, the right click, okay, I keep pressing it. You see, I'm not left my right click, okay. You see, there's one dialog box opening. That's what I wrote, a dialog box. Lazy means dialog box. Okay. Now, let me just take another example, okay. Okay. See, I press fast, it became enter, okay. Now let's just erase this part. Okay. Now you see it becomes erase. I'm just pressing the right click very fast. Okay. Actually it's less than 200 milliseconds. Okay. See, repeat the last command. Okay. What does this middle or wheel of the mouse have? It have actually three functions. Okay. Zoom means what? You keep scrolling the wheel, okay, you keep pushing it forward, scrolling actually, see, you're coming closer and closer to the car. Pan means what? You press the middle wheel or middle mouse or the wheel, it start panning, you see, moves like this, wow. And orbit means what? Orbit like rotate, okay, I'm pressing the middle mouse plus control key, shift key. Okay, this is called orbit. Shift key, okay, not the what is it? Control key. It's shift. Control is in REVIT. The shift. Okay. So just come here. You see, this is your orbit. Okay. Hope this video is informative now. Okay, just one setting. Okay, generally you don't get this lazy and active key by default. What you should do is go to the application menu. Okay, the big A. It's not been. I think you cannot see it here. There is one here. A. Click that A. Okay. It's called the application menu. Then go to options. What will go? Options. Okay. Click it. This option is here now. Click that. Okay. Then click to user preferences. This user preference. A right click customization. Click this. Okay. See, if this is checked, then you have your active right click. Okay. So you say no longer than 250 milliseconds. This should be ticked, then only active will be activated, let's say. If it is not click it and say apply and OK. Hope this is clear now, this video, isn't it? So in this video what I taught you, in AutoCAD the left click means used to select an object. The right click, it has two options, one is lazy and one is active. Lazy means what? You keep pressing the right click and you don't leave it. You keep it for some more than maybe 1 second. Okay. Automatic one dialog box will open. See, for example, this one. Right click means what? The right click active. It will repeat the previous command. See, previous command was what? User reference. Right. Then we come to the middle mouse key. Middle mouse used to zoom. Okay. That means I keep scrolling the wheel, go inside, go out backside. Then pan means what? You're not zooming, you're just tilting, or it's say moving the object. Okay, panning. Orbit means what? Press the shift key and then you orbit. Okay. Okay. Hope this is clear now, this video. Okay everyone, thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or anything, please let me know. I think I'm left with telling you all goodbye. Thank you. Take care. Have a nice day. Hello.